Good afternoon, Royals. It is a beautiful day in San Antonio. It is just about, I think about like 77 degrees. It's so nice. It had been raining for like the past week, so I wasn't able to film much, and there's not really much to do in the garden right now since I've already pretty much filmed what I wanted to do for the spring. But I did want to film a new series of growing okra in containers, but this time I'm gonna try 5-gallon grow bags instead of 5-gallon buckets. So the first year I was growing, and I showed you guys, I grew in 5-gallon buckets. I think the second year I was growing in like 20-gallon grow bags, and I felt like I could scale it back a little bit. When I was growing in the 20-gallon grow bags, I was doing 2 or 3 plants per grow bag, but I was like, let me just scale it back even more. There's an airplane, sorry. So this year I want to try 5-gallon grow bags instead of 5-gallon buckets. I really like how my plants grew in 5-gallon buckets the first time I tried it, so I think they'll do good in the grow bags as well. Let me have a seat, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna plant today. I have Adonis with me. Say hi.
Hi.
So that's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna sow some seeds real quick. I already have my containers ready and prepped and ready to go. I made my own soil and stuff, peat moss, perlite, garden soil, and some granule fertilizer, and that's pretty much it. Okra is a pretty easy grower, so you don't have to do too much to the soil to get your your okra plants to grow well. I'm just gonna do some, what is this? Crimson Spineless. This is the OG, the original. We're gonna do some Louisiana 16-inch long pod. I tried these last year. I didn't have any luck, so I want to try again. We're gonna do burgundy okra. Tried these last year, didn't have any luck, so I want to try again. I don't know, last year just was not a good growing season for me. I don't know what was going on. I think it was just the heat and me trying to figure out how to garden in extreme temperatures, because we have never had these types of extreme temperatures in San Antonio. So it's a little harder trying to figure out what's gonna grow well when. So enough talking, let me show you guys, how to plant your little seeds. Are you gonna plant seeds too? Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3. So all we're really doing, I have mulched these already, so you just kind of peel back the mulch a little bit to expose the soil and just plant. And I would just leave the mulch kind of pushed back until the seedlings sprout, and then you can go ahead and cover them again once the seedlings are good, once they are a good size, then they'll be able to handle the mulch around them. Okay, you ready? And I'm gonna let Adonis help me with this since these seeds are pretty big. Can you put 3 right in the middle? Right here in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Can you spread them out just a little bit?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, good job. Just cover them just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And don't forget to put your tags. I almost forgot about that. That's not good, because then you won't know what you're growing. Okay, let's do these ones. We're gonna put 3. Drop them. Yep. 1, 2. Don't throw them. Place them in there good. 3. Good job. Can you put this on the side like that one is? Over in that one though. Yep. Good job.
It's like these ones.
And then these are the burgundy ones.
Yeah, them are hot.
Yeah.
Hot.
Yeah, so we're gonna give ourselves 3 tries. Put them in that one over there in the middle.
Hot. They're really hot.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right.
You got to
Okay.
breathe. Look at them.
We've got 3 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see
Push them into the soil just a tiny bit. And they like to be about 1 inch deep. So just push them down just a tad.
My cat do this.
Okay, so I'm just gonna write these little name tags. I usually just do popsicle sticks because that's just the easiest and cheapest thing. So let's do that.
Thanks you.
Clemson. Then we have, can you bring me the other ones? Then we have Burgundy. Okay. Burgundy, and then we have Louisiana. Louisiana. All right, and there you have it. This was the Clemson. This was the Louisiana. And we're just gonna water them in. Super easy. Alright, so that wraps it up for sowing my okra seeds. I'm just going to thin them down to 1 plant. I only want 1 plant in each 5-gallon grow bag because okra, they have their root systems get very large, so they need all their space. So that's why I'm only going to do 1 plant. But that's easy enough. I'll keep you guys updated on how they grow, and we will see what we get. Stay tuned for the next update. Thanks, Royals. Bye. Say bye, Royals.
Bye, Royals. Our channel is from Chelsea, the other channel is from us. I gotta work out when I gotta work out with my daddy.
What? I thought you were gonna tell them about gardening.
Gardening is from the trail gardening, from right there, from the trail gardening.
Yeah, is this a gardening channel?
Yeah, this is like a gardening channel.
And we show them how to grow food?
Yeah, this is how we do it.
Okay, say okay, we'll see you later.
We'll see you later. Okay.